Abantu bagira ngo Ministry y'Ebyobwegese ekabaha senta namba mu mwaka gwa 2020 konkana hati district ya Cyenjo joteka bahagarusa rwo gukora ibyezo bya P7 ayishomero ryabo.
Stand registered with Ministry of Education and Sports umwaka gwa 2019 nibwo twamaririye ku registeringa na ministry, then umwaka gwa 2020 twasaba UNEB center number aba UNEB bagituha okwiha n'ubwo bwire tukahebwa gomugisa gwa abana bitu kwikara isomero yitu reno ekintu kusaliza muno abo ensonga abana ne barubate ingendo zirehire kugenda nabo bakora ibizamu ecya kabiri then ne bicwekana bakora ibizamu no usanga te bari comfortable.
Ogu yatumanyisa nkwihobo ebigezo batahana babikora ishomero rya Butunduzi Model Primary School erihihi nabo ngo bito mwako gwamanyisibwe ngo bazakora harugura primary school omundijo gomborora.
Genda mu office ya Niyonzima Everest district inspector of schools naga ensonga ninjagiroramo nago nugujwa atakagerораmuga ohiro hati saha zino kandi icyatutalebaniza muno nuko abana bitu kubeha mu town council Butunduzi town council akabatwara mu Gomborendi bakweta Butunduzi sub county 0 km 12 kuruga hano na mbere isomero lidi kandi ijuka abana bayitu bano abandi ne baruga kilometer 3-5 kurwo mu byaro
twatunga no kumanyisibwa ngo abana tubakozere briefing izo bari ya nyumwazyo abwenjire sibire negwa otiro nishomerere bine kukoraho bigezo kubarera hare mununga
ndabuno bwire bwenjura nuko buri bwire bwenjura yijo ubwire bwa briefing bubasigirege enjure bwire kuruganga saa 5 kukanga saa 12 abana tubagenda hawa briefing
kumbire ndyaho nyo nabona banterese umuntu banjangonyije impereze sente zo kutwara abana hishomye gukora ibibuzo nayebuza nkanya sente nzihe nkahi banjangu bakabahindura kandi nimanya ngo bakashaba kora hane bibuzo mwaka gwe 2020 naho babe batutira hali ya sena haliya bakanga bakabiha
tarundi mukuru w'ishemero yangira ngo abana babatiro gukora umwishemere rindi kandi distance niningwa so bagamba turete emitware 3 ya transport aho nanye sente bentazino rede tinka zishashwire ndyanchashobirwa.
Everest Niyonzima orukwetombiturwa na Jangu Vision of Hope Kabima Sitting Center abwenshonga zo kutekateka uko ibebigezo ngo kandi ishomero rya Butunduzi Model Primary School ayibaturana bakorera bigezo ngo rutahandiye tombwita nshonganizo zimwe atyo nawe nuko kubahindura.
There have been a lot of confusion. That school, Wilma Fox, Top Care, and some other private have been there, but those were spearheading copying. But when there was no copper, like last year, there is a problem where even some teachers were tested. And the Butunduzi Primary School has been at the verge of course being in fear because of being spotted as a hot spot place. So because of that one, they would not sit with any private again because they saw as being risky.
Abebembezi nibajyango murambuzi w'amashomero Niyonzima Everest na wayi nishomero kandi rine sitting center enshonga ibari kutekateka munati na competition kurwo mu ishomero rya Vision of Hope. Amakuru agasha kwa Daniel Bingana.